Getting a visa is a vital step in your UK migration journey as a physiotherapist. Also, getting complete details about the visa process is important to ensure a smooth transition from your home country to the UK. So, here we are with a video that will tell you about the visa processes for a foreign physiotherapist aspiring to move to the UK and work there. Hello everyone, welcome back to Academically, your one-stop destination for all things physiotherapy. In today's video, we will tell you how you can get a work visa in the UK as a physiotherapist despite of whichever country you belong to. But before we begin, we notice that a whopping 73% of our viewers have not subscribed to our channel yet. Are you one of those viewers? Well, if yes, then what's stopping you from getting all updates related to physiotherapy career in your notification bar? Subscribe to our channel today. Okay, so now coming back to the video, foreign physiotherapists can get a health and care worker visa in the United Kingdom. However, for this, they have to register with the Health and Care Professions Council. Now let's discuss the eligibility for the same. To get a visa, you must, number one, register with the HCPC, be a qualified physiotherapist, work in an eligible health and social care job, have a job with a UK employer that's been approved by the Home Office, and also have a certificate of sponsorship from your employer with information about the role you have been offered in the UK. Be a paid minimum salary. How much depends upon the type of work you are doing there. Also, you have to prove your English proficiency through IELTS or TOEFL. Other than that, let's move on to the most important thing, which is how you can apply for a visa in the UK. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you need to be registered with the HCPC in order to obtain the visa. And if you are not registered yet, watch this video or reach out to our counselors to get help in doing so. After that, you must follow these steps. So firstly, visit www.gov.uk and click on Visas and Immigration. Then click on Work in the UK and then find Health and Care Visa. Then apply for the same by filling up the form and submitting your documents like your certificate of sponsorship reference number, which your employer will give you, proof of English proficiency, a valid passport or other documents that shows your identity and nationality, your job title and annual salary, your job's occupation code, and the name of your employer and their sponsor license number. Now, this will be on your certificate of sponsorship only. You can also give any other proofs and documents that they demand. You might also need to visit a center to confirm your proof of identity. Pay the fees and complete the application and then sit back and wait for the reply. Now, to ensure a smooth process, you can also get help from an immigration agent. Now, getting a reply from the authorities may take between 3 weeks to 3 months. However, you also get an option to pay extra if you want to get a faster decision in urgent circumstances. Now, once you receive the visa, it makes you eligible to live and work in the UK as a health and care practitioner for 5 years. After that, you will need to renew your visa. This process may sound a little overwhelming, but with the right guidance, it's a cakewalk, and let me tell you, it's totally worth it. So if you want to begin with the first step of getting a visa in the UK, which is the HCPC registration, you must get in touch with Academically's career counselors today. At Academically, we offer comprehensive support to help you get registered in the UK and build an amazing physiotherapy career there. Apart from the UK, we also help physiotherapists settle in other countries like Australia, New Zealand, the Gulf countries, and many more. Fill out the form in the description to request a call back from our experts and begin your journey to physiotherapy awesomeness in the UK or any other country today. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you in another video soon. Till then, take care, happy studies, and bye-bye.